Alrighty, Robert here to 363 small block Ford. Keeps your Christianist combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Got some grind hydraulic roller. Got the mini JR front end with the rear sump. I think it looks like a Bronco pan. We've got the Edelbrock Pro Flo set up for you. Make sure it all runs for you. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3600, it's 405 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 448, a lot of 440. It's real flat there. That's the Super Vic manifold, which keeps running upstairs pretty hard. Peaks power of 520, we're at 500, so everything's good. It's got a front end on it. Obviously, that's the Super Vic manifold. What we'll do now is show you some things. When you receive your engine, find this thing that looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Highly recommend watch all this. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have an engine number and some other specs. Anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, QR codes, more tech stuff. So I recommend watching all this. Have a great day.